Hey guys, for today's ingredients you will need your steak along with 1 teaspoon each of salt and pepper, 2 teaspoons of garlic mince, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of Worcestershire sauce, and 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Literally all you need to do is pour all of the ingredients into a bowl and mix them all together. Now you put your steak in the bowl. You want to make sure that your steak is completely covered and basically drowning in the marinade, and set that aside for 1 hour. Once your steak has marinated, you can cook and serve it however you like. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.